Good day all. In the short video, we are going to discussing about on calculate the rate analysis for brick masonry in using 1:6 proportion cement mortar with 23 centimeter thick for superstructure. 23 centimeter means 230 mm. So let's assume volume of brickwork is 10 meter cube. So let's calculate the quantity of materials required. So modular size of brick is 19 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter. So it converts into inches. 7.5 inches into 3.5 inch into 3.5 inch. So with mortar, 1 centimeter is added to the nominal size of brick. So let's 20. So it is 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So it's converted to inches is 8 inch into 4 inch into 4 inch. So it calculates the one brick volume is equal to zero point 0.2 into 0.1 into 0.1. So it is 0.002 meter cube. So it is this volume is only for one brick. So let's calculate the number of bricks required for 1 meter cube. So it is 1. Numerator 1 is volume of in brickwork by 0.002 is volume of single brick. So it is 1 by 0.002 is equal to 500 bricks. So it is only for 1 meter cube. So let's calculate the 10 meter cube. 500 into 10. So it is 500 into 10 is equal to 5000 bricks. 5000 bricks means it is only for 10 meter cube. So let's calculate the actual volume of 5000 bricks. 5000 bricks, 5000 into volume of brick, volume of one brick. 5000 into 0.19 into 0.09 into 0.09. So it is 7.70 meter cube. So let's calculate the quantity of mortar required. So it is 10. 10 means 10 is the volume of brickwork. So 10 minus 7.70. 7.70 is the actual volume of 5000 bricks. 10 minus 7.70 is equal to 2.30 meter cube. So let's add the adding of 20% of mortar wastage. Why 20% of mortar is? It is water wastage includes non-uniform thickness and mortar joints and also pointing purpose also. So let's adding the 20% of water. So let's calculate the quantity of water required. So 2.30 means previous volume of mortar into 20% of adding. So it is 2.76 meter cube. So volume of mortar is equal to 2.76 by 10 meter cube. 10 meter cube means volume of brickwork into 100%. So it is 28%. 28% of volume of brickwork is quantity of mortar. So let's calculate the dry mortar volume. So previous volume of mortar is wet mortar volume. So adding the 30% more. So 1.30 into wet mortar volume, 1.3 into 2.76, it is 3.588 meter cube. So let's calculate the cement required. Cement is 1 by 1. This numerator 1 answer is 1 proportion of cement by denominator of 1 plus 6 is 1 is cement, 6 is sand. By 1 by 1 plus 6 into 3.588. 3.588 is the dry mortar volume. So it is 0.512 meter cube. So it is volume. Volume into density. Density of cement is equal to 1440. So it is 14.86 bags. One bag is equal to 50 kgs. 50 kgs. So let's calculate the sand required. Sand is equal to 6 into 0.512. So sand is also cement calculation. 6 by 1 plus 6. It is 6 by 7 into 3.588 is equal to 3.072 meter cube. So it is density of sand 1.6 ton per square meter. It is 4.9152 tons. So this table is rate analysis of brickwork, 230 mm brickwork. So it is the total volume of brickwork 10 meter cube. So this is the rate analysis table. So first we calculate workman. Workman means mason. Workman includes mason and mazdoor and helper. Mazdoor may builder also. This is also helper. So this column is quantity or number of quantities. So it is unit rate. per present market rate based on, and it is the amount, total amount. So first one is mason. So it is important. It turnout data. So it is mason. Mason is one mason per 1 meter cube. So it is 10 meter cube. 10 meter cube is the overall volume of brickwork. It is important. 10 into 1 meter cube per mason is equal to 10 into 1 is equal to 10 mason. So Mazdoor is 1.4 Mazdoor for 1 meter cube. Means 10 into 1.4. It is 14 Mazdoor. So helper Bisti, 2 helper. 2 into 1, 2 into 10. Sorry, 0.2. 0.2 is Bisti. 0.2 into 10. It is 2 helper. So it is 900. 900 means present market rate of mason is 900 rupees. 800 is present market rate of Mazdoor is 800 rupees, and 750 is also helper rate. So it is per day. So it is 10 into 900 is equal to 9,000, and 14 into 800 is equal to 11,200, and 2 into 750 is equal to 1,500. So it is 3 values are added. It is answer is given. Final answer is 21,700 rupees. So adding sunrise is 3% of labor cost only. So 3% of 21,700 is 651. It is these two is added. So final answer 22,350 rupees is final answer for only labor work. So let's calculate the materials cost. So first one is cement. The required cement is 14.86 bags. The present rate of one cement bag is 450 rupees. So 450 into 14.86 is equal to 6,687. And second one is sand. Sand is 4.9152 tons is required. So present rate of market value of sand is per 1 ton is equal to 775 rupees. So this is 1 ton. So 775 into 4.9152 is equal to 3,809 rupees. So third one is bricks. So bricks is the required bricks is per 10 meter cube is 5,000 bricks. 13 rupees is the 1 brick per present rate. 13 into 5,000 is equal to 65,000 rate. So material cost of overall these three values are added. So it is 75,496 rupees. So total cost. So it is labor cost with including sunrise plus this answer is materials rate. So these two rates is added. So it is final answer is 97,847 rupees. So after to add overhead charges is it is 15% is taken. 15% of 97,847 is 14,677 rupees. So it is final 22,350 rupees is labor cost, and 75,496 rupees is material cost, and 14,677 rupees is overhead charges. Final answer is 1,12,524 rupees. So after adding overhead charges, to add contractor's profit is 10%. 10% of 1,12,524 rupees is 11,253 rupees. So adding this plus this plus this. So total cost of rate is 1,23,776 rupees. This is the final answer. So this is rate analysis of 230 mm brickwork. 10 important is 10 meter cube of brickwork. So this is the final answer. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.